If you're thinking to install WordPress and start making a lot of money by simply creating simple and beautiful looking website, so you have clicked on the right video. Hello everyone, this is Asim and welcome to my channel Syntax Error. In this video I'll be showing you all how you can install WordPress. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, here you will require only two things. First is your local host, which is very important, and next the other thing is your WordPress. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll download a WordPress first. uh, Open your browser, okay, and just type here download WordPress or WordPress download. Okay, and you will get the first site over here, which is an official site, and you can download WordPress for free. Click on it, click this blue button, and your download will start. Okay, so I have already downloaded WordPress, so I'll just cancel it over here and go in my download folder. Okay, as you can see, it's already downloaded. So what I will do, I will just extract it. Okay, right click on it and extract here. Once you extract, you will get a folder, and inside this your WordPress file, all the WordPress files are there. Okay, so here pointer is like your local, you should be having your localhost installed, okay, or else you won't be able to install WordPress. Okay, so localhost is must. I prefer WAMP server, so what I will do is I will put the link in the description, so you can download your WAMP server from there. Okay, you can even download XAMPP, it depends on you. Okay, what you have to do is go to your this WordPress folder, select all and copy, and now go to your local disk. Okay, local disk drive, and go in your WAMP folder. Click open inside WAMP folder. You have to go inside www folder. Okay, here what you have to do is create a new folder of your website. Okay, so if your website is like, in my case I have syntax error, so I will create a folder syntax error. Okay, go inside that folder which we have created just now and paste the file, WordPress files. So guys, please do like the videos if you like my work, and do subscribe to my channel. Okay, so I'll just fast forward this. Okay, so now 50% work is done. What we have to do is now we have to run our local server, which is in my case WAMP. Okay, double click and run, and always run local server, your WAMP or any local server in your as an administrator. Okay, otherwise things won't run properly and you might start getting errors and all. So wait until it's green. Now open your browser and type localhost/phpMyAdmin, or just localhost and click it over here. Okay, so the username will be root and password will be none, blank. Go. What we are doing now is we are creating a database for our WordPress site. So click on new database, new. Okay, now database should be same as your website, because what happens if you creating a lot of website, it helps you to understand which database is for which website. Okay, so in my case it's syntax error, so I'll write syntax underscore error, go, and the database is done. Okay, now I have open a new tab, type localhost slash syntax error, the folder name which we created, okay, for our website. So guys, if you see this page, this means you are doing well. Okay, without any errors. Here you have to select a language. I will select English. Okay, so next, here they will be asking you few things like your database name, username and user password and all, then localhost. Okay, so what you have to do, just click on let's go. Now you have to put your database name which we just created. Okay, here it is, syntax_error. This is to connect your WordPress to your database. Okay, so username will be root and password was nothing. Okay, leave other things as it is and next submit. Now just click on run the installer. Okay, now the installation will begin. Here you have to put your site name. Okay, in my case I'm making a site for my syntax error, so you can put whatever you want and you can change this later on also, so not to worry. Username will be I'll put mine, or you can put your client's name or something. Password I will keep it simple, short and simple, because as it is on my local host I have to log in again and again, so I will keep a short and simple one, so later on I can change it. Okay, I'll just hide my password, so I don't want you all to see. So here what you have to do is you have to enter your email, because email is important. If you lose you forget your password, so this will help you recover it. Okay, so click on install WordPress. Okay, so installation is done, it's showing success. Woohoo! Now click on login. I have put my name as Asim. Just type my name. Okay, and password was a simple password. I'll click on remember me because I don't want to log in again and again. Okay, so it's done. We have installed our WordPress site without any errors, successfully, without any errors. So guys, that's it for this video. If you did like this video, please give it a like, share with your friends, and do subscribe to my channel, guys. If you have any questions or suggestions, please do comment down below. And I keep on uploading such videos like how to's and regarding programming language and all. Okay, so do consider subscribing to my channel, and you can also follow me on Instagram, Twitter. So please do follow me on Instagram and Twitter. So that's it, guys. Have a good day. Thank you so much.